Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to add realistic details to your tree. As you can see, our tree is very simple and it's not realistic. This is very stylized. We want to make the tree a bit more realistic and add more details. The tree overall looks good, but the branches are not too much realistic. So first we need to work on the branch. The first step to add the detail is use the crinkliness. Select the branch and work on the crinkliness. The crinkliness make your tree a bit more realistic. As you can see, using this method you can reduce its intensity. This is for end of the branch. Here is the end of the branch, and here is the first part of the branch, and here is double click here to control the middle crinkliness. This is the first step, and adding crinkliness to the next one. As you can see, our trees looks a bit better but need a bit customization. Now as you can see, our tree looks a bit more realistic, and we need to work on the alignment to make our tree a bit more realistic. Nice. Also you can move its position to make our tree a bit more realistic. Tool. Okay. Our tree now has a bit more details. Now we can work on the root of the branch. Here you can increase a bit top of the root and a bit downside. As you can see, our tree looks more detailed. And here work on the next one, add more detail to the tree. Nice. As you can see, our tree is not too much flat and it's a bit more realistic. You can change the settings to reach to a good design. Everything is on your hands. Everything looks much better. Also you can reduce the overall radius to make your tree more